Scholarships help meet financial needs of students globally and locally. The university's website has many additional useful resources available. Digital systems have simplified borrowing books, making it more accessible today. The concept has inherent imperfections and necessitates thorough and deliberate evaluation. This online
book discusses
cultural
now allow
impacts
viewing
on
of
our
school
actions
lectures
significantly.
anytime.